Hello there and welcome to this Carveco Black Friday sale. And on sale this year is Carveco Maker Plus. So I'll just scroll down through here, and this is the offering, the saving this year. And incidentally, it's on from Friday today until the 13th of December. So the yearly subscription has come right down to $4.99, and the outright purchase instead of $1,200 is now $9.99. I will leave a link below this video in the video description area where you can go and get this offering. So we'll have a little look at Carveco Maker. So, and this is, you know, one of the best programs on the market for the price actually. You can actually construct a 3D model. It has 3D modeling tools in it. So we'll just scroll down here just to show you some of the things that it can do. I have made quite a few videos on Carveco Maker Plus. Using, you know, a lot of these tools. I do intend to do more tutorials using more of the tools in more depth. Excuse my squeaky chair. So as you can see, you know, you can do grayscale to 3D relief over and above the normal Carveco Maker. You know, you got a lot more tools to work with, and so on and so forth. And of course, V-bit carving. It's a, you know, it's a very, very high-powered program to you know, have. And if you're a serious hobbyist, or you know, you've got a wood shop, you know, this is the one to get. And you know, all the regular means of machining are here, and there you go. Just a little demonstration there of a V-bit carving. And this is a sort of a demonstration of some of the materials that you can, you know, actually do a simulation of your work and send the simulation to a customer, so they have a better idea of, you know, what the overall outcome is going to be. And there again, there's the promo for it. And I say again, the link for this promo, which is on until, as you can see there, December the 13th. I will leave a link below this video in the video description area. So hope to see you on one of my other videos. Bye for now.